So, hello people. Today you are welcome to join me on TET Croatia. We are coming from Bosnia, so we have a few hours of riding already, and it's getting warm. I had to change my clothes. You see, it's already 24 degrees Celsius. For today we are planning to do a complete TET Croatia from start here, from Bosnia to Slovenia. Can we make it? We shall see. It's quite a chunk to do it, and I'm a little bit tired already. So let's see how it goes. Remember, right? The last time I drove here, a few years ago, I came on a guy, or actually two guys on scooters. They were, one was from Germany and the other was from Albania. I think I met them somewhere here. I'm almost sure. Nice guys. Now there should be some so-called hard part. Ah, that's it. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Come on. Ah. Man, if you drop the bike here, oh. Oh, we need to dismount. Oh, it's quite hot today. Ah, just look at her. What a bike, huh? What a bike. Hello. How are you doing? Everything okay? Okay? Okay.
feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines.
Hello, everything okay? Yeah, okay. Have a nice day. Bye. Super, hvala. Okay, final 700 meters of TET Croatia. Here are the statistics. Today I started earlier, but first we look at the bottom one. So I little modified it, the last part, but whatever. 418 kilometers, 46 average riding speed, 9 hours of riding, 6 liters of fuel for 100 kilometers, and I used additional 2 hours for and dinner. So this is it, guys. I hope you will like my video. This one was quite tough for me. As you see, I actually done today almost 800 kilometers, 13 hours and a half of driving. This is nuts. I don't think I will repeat this anytime soon. Okay guys, ride safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.